This is Adam. There he goes, walking with his face stuck to his phone, as usual. Whoa! Careful, Adam! Wait a minute, what's that? I know what that is. It's the new MyDigi Rewards where you can get all the coolest deals. Let me show you just how easy it is with the MyDigi app. Just scroll through and you can get food, shopping, travel, entertainment, wellness, cash vouchers, and others. All the categories you can think of. Let's just take a look at food and beverages. Find something you like from MyDigi Rewards? Great, just tap and get them, and when you're ready to use it, just head to the store and let them scan the barcode to redeem your reward. Or if you're purchasing online, there will be a voucher code you can use to redeem your MyDigi Rewards. Head on over to the merchant's website and paste the code upon checkout and enjoy. Oh, if you're feeling a little generous, you can share a reward by sending it as a gift. The new MyDigi app allows you to check out all the MyDigi rewards across Malaysia or just the ones near you. Want something specific? No problem. You can even search by keywords or brands. Want to know all the rewards that you've gotten? They are here in the My Rewards tab. Aww, look at how happy Adam is. So what are you waiting for? Get rewarded with MyDigi Rewards today!